Hello, day 174 of 365 days of art in nature has arrived, and we have another very brief prompt for today. Some little footprints here down the bottom. It simply says, what made these footprints? Draw them here. So a closer look, tiny little footprints. You don't have to copy that. You can come up with your own footprints and draw whatever creature made them, however you like. You can draw a single creature, you can draw a group of them. You could do several different types of overlapping footprints. So don't be stuck on the one idea, explore it, have fun, and thanks for watching.